Hey, my YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a quick and easy one just for you. And as the description says, we are creating Canva template links. So let's say you have a digital product that you want to share with your audience and you want them to be able to edit that template. So that could be a content calendar, it could be just any type of template, or maybe you're giving away a freebie on Instagram. I'm going to show you in Canva how to create those template links, and if you are interested, keep on watching. Okay, so you have a template that you've created and you want to share that with your audience. Perhaps you sell digital planners, for example, this budget and financial planner, you sell it on Etsy or somewhere else and you want to share that. Or maybe you create templates for realtors and you want them to just to be able to go in and edit it as they see fit. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create those templates so that you're not sharing your original copy and they're not messing up with that copy. So I have a blank canvas that I'm going to go ahead and use this to create all the stuff that I need. So pay attention here, guys. All right, so let's change the background. I'm going to go with this background because it looks good. Let's make the page a little bigger for you to see. Okay, perfect. Next, I'm going to try to make it look good. I'm going to add a square. Let's change the image to, let's make this a little smaller, actually. All right, duplicate that. There we go. We're going to go ahead and add a text, and we're going to say here, thank you for your purchase. Perfect. And you can change the font and the color and whatnot as you see fit. This is just an example, so I'm going to just quickly add it there. Next, I'm going to add an image of what is being sold. So our customers know at least a hint of what they're going to be getting. Okay. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and share a quick look of it. There we go. Click on that. And then I'm going to go to Edit, Shadows, and Drop. So it gives it a little bit of a glow on the outside. Makes it look good there. Next, we're going to go to Elements, and then you're going to type in Button. And we're going to find one that suits our needs. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here. I'm going to change the color to match my outline. Next, I'm going to go to Element, and I'm going to click here for template. And highlight it. Let's bold it a little bit. And drag it in here. Okay, so you just adjust it to fit in the space. You might need to make this bigger as well. Perfect. This looks good. Perfect. Okay. Next, we want to go ahead and add the link. So this is going to be the link that your customer is going to click on to be able to see the template. Okay. So right here, you're going to go to share. And right here, you're going to see template link. Or if you click see all, you should see something that says template link. Now mine says live because this is actually a live link for something else. Go ahead and click on that. And then you click copy. And it says here link copied. And this is a template link. Okay. Go back to your design. Click on it. Hit the three dots. Click on link. Paste that link right in there. And you hit done. I'm going to also click the button. Go hit more. Link. Paste the link in again. And done. Perfect. Now, why don't we go ahead and add some more details? So at least we tell our audience or the customer what they're getting, or maybe there's a message that you want to share that they need pro version, they need an account, whatever the case is. I suggest you add some sort of note there. So I'm going to go here for text, and I'm going to go ahead and add a text. I found a text on ChatGPT, so I'm going to go grab that now. And let's add that there. Perfect. And it says, thank you for your purchase. This template is designed to make your work easier and help you stay organized. Please note that all sales are final, as this is a digital product. Enjoy and reach out if you need any assistance. So if it's a paid item, you want to make sure you add a note that sales are final. Now, these are digital products. You generally don't get a refund, but you also want to be available if the customer has any issues accessing it. Okay. All right. So we're done with the design. We kept it fairly simple. Now, the next step is to go ahead and download this. We're going to go ahead and download this as a PDF. Okay. So go ahead, hit share. Hit download. Now, Canva is going to suggest PNG. But if you take a look at the orange part here, it says, looks like you have links in your design. For links to work, please choose PDF. So we're going to go ahead and change that to PDF standard. And then we're going to go ahead and hit download. And there we go. This is what your customer will receive. When they receive it, they're going to click here. I'm going to click it, and then it should automatically take me to Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And instantly it brings me to Canva. The customer can then go ahead and edit the design. And it's going to say copy of on their end. And that's it. So we've reached the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video or you received some sort of value from the information that I have shared today, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up, or the notification bell, because I do want you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any tips that I might share. In the description box, you're also going to find a Canva crash course link, beginner friendly, that you can learn a little bit more about Canva. So go ahead, click that link. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.